Alright, back with another update on how to set your motor mounts on your LS swap. In the last video I stated that I was going to drill the hole open, which I drilled the hole open a little bit, and also I thought of another trick. I took one of these punchers. It's a hole puncher or something. I got it from Harbor Freight. What I did was I stuck it under the rubber part of the motor mount so that it can push the motor mount up so that the hole could be visible for the bolt to go through. Hit it with a hammer a few times and that's what it came out. The bolt looks pretty jagged because I've been drilling on it, going crazy, but I got it through. So that's not really anything I'm worried about. Probably never take this engine out again. The next person will, but I won't. But just a quick update.